Hello students, welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNET Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about evaluation. Now this evaluation is an important concept, important integral part of an education. Evaluation which always help to identify to determine whether the predetermined objective or goal of this education process is met or not. Education is really important for all the individual, but how you acquire this education, whether you really find any improvement in individual behavior or else in particular society, to assess that we want evaluation. Now the definition of evaluation is a systematic process of judging the value of something by an systematic appraisal or careful appraisal. So that's what called evaluation. Then the concept of evaluation is a general sense, evaluation is a long-term assessment, evaluation is a continuous process, evaluation is a systematic process, evaluation is an integral part of education, and evaluation is different from measurement. Next, the purpose of evaluation. When we see the purpose of evaluation, we can see the evaluation purpose in learning, teaching, curriculum, society, parents, and education. Now, in learning, it helps to identify the learning capacity, learner capacity. It helps to identify the strength and weakness of particular learner. It helps to identify or diagnose the need and particular requirement of that learning process. It also helps to identify what are the barriers we can detect in learning process. Then in teaching, it helped to it helped to make an improvement in the teaching learning process. It helped the teacher to make a proper and better teaching strategies. It helped to find out what all the obstructions and difficulties can be find out as well as can be resolved with the help of this evaluation process. It also help to improve the materials what you're using for teaching process. It also help to use a different teaching method and techniques so wisely that your teaching learning process will be so easy. That reason we want evaluation. In curriculum, it helped to revise the curriculum nursing education process or an education syllabus can be revised with the help of evaluation. Evaluation also help to improve the text. Like we are finding a evaluation of particular text so that we can improve that material. Evaluation help to improve the material what is used by the teacher. Evaluation also help to improve the materials which is used by the student. Now next is society. From the point of view of society, evaluation help to meet the need of a social demand. Individuals need their responsibilities as well as particular aspiration is met with the help of evaluation. Evaluation also help to bring certain changes in environment, a social environment, and improve the interpersonal relationship among the individual who lives in this society. We want evaluation. Now parents, evaluation help to inform the parents regarding the performance level of your student, level of your child. Evaluation help to inform the parents what is the capacity or caliber of your particular child. Evaluation also used to guide the parents. The last in education system, evaluation is help us to detect whether we are able to meet the goal of an education or not. Evaluation help to provide the systematic and standard of education. Evaluation help to have a continuous education process so that everyone can acquire a qualitative education. So these are the important purpose of education. And now the aim of evaluation. The aim of evaluation is, the first aim is to detect whether the school or colleges are running in the right track to reach their goal. The aim is to bring a good public relationship among the community as well as with the school or colleges education system. The aim is to bring the good relation as well as keep the people those are working in that environment informed, provide some guidance to them, also counsel the boys and girls. The next aim is to see that to detect any educational obstruction or barriers what we can easily detect and resolve and improve the education process. The next aim is to make the individual those who comes under this educational process feel secure, like all the students, staffs, employees who work under this particular organization. Now the next aim is it make them to feel supportive to achieve their school goal or objectives. Now for all these we want the aim, no, we want the evaluation. So the evaluation plays a very important aims in certain areas which is really help an educational program, a educational institute to acquire a great amount of success. And now we are just having a look into a evaluation characteristic. Now evaluation is qualitative, evaluation is a continuous process, evaluation which help to improve the product, evaluation is both internal and external, and evaluation which consider both the concept of qualitative and quantitative with the judgment. Now evaluation in that evaluation takes a measurement. Now measurement will become an internal, yeah, a part of evaluation. And evaluation is a relation between education system and educational evaluation. As well, evaluation is a complex process. These are all of the characteristics we can write under evaluation. So today we learned only about evaluation. So evaluation is nothing but you are judging something. Evaluation is nothing but you are trying to find the value of something. Here it's a long term process, continuous process, so that you are able to identify what's the exact picture of that particular item. Maybe here you are able to evaluate the student, evaluate the teacher, evaluate the teaching method, evaluate the educational objective, educational programs. Now we learned about aim of evaluation, purpose of evaluation, and characteristic of evaluation, also evaluation concept. I hope you can write, you can expect 2 3 or 4 5 marks question on evaluation. Please keep watching so that we can learn the rest of the evaluation contents. I say thank you all. See you in the next class.